Pisces, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is for the last week of April 2020, and I'm wishing you so many blessings, abundance, prosperity, success, health, wealth, love, and so many good vibes from me to you guys. This is for the Pisces people for the last week of April 2020. So let's see what is coming for you, Pisces. Let's cut the deck for you. This is for the Pisces. Transformation. So some of you are dealing with a Scorpio, or some of you are going through a transformation, going through a dark night of the soul, going through your solo journey of your enlightenment. Leo, strength card, right in the middle of your reading, and then the Emperor. So some of you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, you're also here with the Moon card, and some of you are also dealing with a Cancerian. So yeah, Pisces, you are going through a transformation. After this transformation, you will have your empire, because someone is coming for you with the Three of Wands present here. This is in the current energy, and you are very strong to communicate with them, because they are also a very stronger person. They have a high position in the society, in their community, and they are something about like something about there is very confidential. Yeah, they are a very mature business person, very professional. Yeah, and that is why you're building up your courage, Pisces, to have that communication with them. Okay, in the recent past, Knight of Swords, Eight of Wands, and the Page of Pentacles. So some kind of communication was happening in the past, and new offers were also coming for you. Okay, but that was just communication, and now in the current energy, the person is coming for you. Like, they are literally planning travel for you. Yeah, they just want to see you, because you are very strong now, and you are also have that courage. In the immediate future, you have Knight of Wands, Seven of Wands, and the Moon energy. So you are resisting them a little bit because of their intimate communication with you, and yeah, that is why Moon is here, because they are not totally revealed to you. They have some kind of some things they didn't tell you. That's why you have your guard up and you are resisting them. Yeah, you just want to know each and everything about them, and after that you just want to make your decision. Why is the transformation here for the Pisces, please? High Priestess, here you are. Hierophant, Ten of Wands. Okay, so you are using your intuition, and also you are taking help from your spirit guides with this Hierophant present here, because this is also a very spiritual card, and you are becoming a very spiritual person. You are making your connection strong with your spirit guides, because this is the pair who had, both of them, High Priestess and the Hierophant, have a very strong spiritual connection with their higher self, and they know exactly what is coming next, because they are following their intuition and their spiritualism. Great. By following your intuition, you are moving towards your spiritual connection as well, and you just don't want to be fall in this kind of work burden situation. You just don't want to do over work. Yeah, you want equal give and take. Let's see, why is the Emperor here in your current energy? Emperor for the Pisces, please. Sun, Five of Wands, Nine of Cups. Okay, so yeah, this is a very confident person with the Emperor card present here, and everyone just want to get their piece of cake. Everyone wants their attention, but they are fighting for you. They're fighting for you because I'm feeling that they have impressed from of your beauty, yeah, of your character, and they are feeling very content when they are with you. So yeah, this is a pure love situation going on. They are just fighting for you, and everyone is fighting for them and for their attention, for their one look, but they just want to spend their time with you. And yeah, they are finding their emotional contentment within you. I just want to know, why is the strength here right in the middle of your reading, Pisces? Strength card for the Pisces: Two of Wands, Six of Cups, Ace of Swords. So what I'm feeling from these three cards, that you are on a crossroads to make a decision, and you will choose the truth. You will choose your emotions, yeah, your true emotions. The person which have true emotions for you, you will make decision in them, in their favor. You are not compromising now your emotions and your respect. Three of Wands for the Pisces, please. Three of Wands for the Pisces people, please. Nine of Pentacles, Chariot, Three of Swords. Okay. So Pisces, some of you are dealing with the Cancer. You fell a water sign, and Three of Wands, yeah, they are coming for you because you are now in your element, and you are now very strong with this Leo strength card present here. You are taking care of yourself, you are in your element, everyone can see your light. That is why they're coming for you, because they have some kind of heartbreak before, and now they just don't want to lose you. Why is the Moon here for the Pisces? Moon card for the Pisces people, please. Seven of Swords, Magician, Tower. Okay. Okay, I was telling you about this Knight of Wands, like you are not interested in that intimacy. That is why you're resisting them. And with the Moon card, that will reveal to you, yes, that they are the person you're dealing with, they are very, very manipulative. With the Seven of Swords present here, they are just playing games with you. They're not serious. They are not honest with you. They are just making their selves happy. They are just prioritizing themselves and not you. That is why the past relationship will fall down with this Tower card present here, and the truth will reveal to you very soon. This is the truth, you can see this. And this is also a sudden aha moment for you, like uh, you have not expected this kind of uh, you know revelation from this person, that because you are very into them. You're a water sign, so you have deep emotions for them, and that's why your heartbroken is happening. Let's have an advice for you, Pisces. Advice for the Pisces people, please. Wheel of Fortune, beautiful, very, very beautiful. Two of Cups, Eight of Cups. Okay, so 2 and 8 are 10 of Cups, and you are moving towards them. Universe is giving you the other chance. Just accept it and move towards it. Follow your intuition. Forget that heartbroken thing, and forget that past person, because the Tower is for your own growth and for your own success in life. This is your beautiful thing coming your way. This is the pure connection you have ever wanted, you have ever wished for. So this is I have for you, Pisces. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. I'm feeling very great energy for you, because Wheel of Fortune is the fortunate card of the tarot, and this comes for you, Pisces, in your reading. So yeah, You can give this video a thumbs up if you like the video, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. You can also share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me suggestion what you want to more see on this channel in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.